Imagine walking into a dining space that instantly takes your breath away, where elegance meets comfort and every detail whispers luxury. A place where meals feels like a five-star experience, whether it's a simple family dinner or a grand celebration. Sounds like a dream? Well, today I'll show you how to turn that dream into reality. Hello and welcome to Explore Decor, your go-to channel for stunning home and event decor ideas. If you love transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary ones, you are in the right place. A luxurious dining space begins with the right table. Opt for right quality materials like marble, solid wood, or gloss with gold accent. If you prefer a modern touch, a sleek glossy surface with metallic or sculptural legs can make a bold statement. A grand chandelier or pendant lights above the table can instantly add a touch of luxury. Opt for warm toned lighting to create an inviting and intimate atmosphere. A well curated centerpiece adds charm and personality to your table. Choose tall floral arrangements, sculptures, vases, or a series of elegant candle holders. If you prefer a more subtle look, a minimalistic runner with gold or silk accent can create a sophisticated and balanced aesthetic. Attention to detail makes all the difference. Consider embroidered napkin, designer placemats, and decorative napkin rings for an elevated table setting. Small touches like ornate salt and pepper shaker, decorative serving tray, and personalized place cards add a refined finish to your luxurious dining space. And there you have it. Everything you need to create a luxurious dining table setting that leaves a lasting impression. Whether you are hosting an elegant dinner party or simply elevating your everyday meals, these ideas will transform your dinner experience. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more stunning decoration ideas. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite luxurious dining table style. I would love to hear from you. See you in the next video where we continue turning spaces into masterpieces.